So this is for 2009 to 2014 F-150. I'm hooking up this light on the outside of the mirror, the turn signal. So the way I'm doing it is I got this power probe. I'm gonna test to see the ground and the power.
So that'll be your ground right there.
That's the ground. Turn the signal on. See which one gives us power. Oh, that one's giving us the power. Alright, what color cables are those? This is for the driver's side.
0.
Turn the signal on. Beep, beep, beep.
So it's always going to be the first one at the top and this one right here. So this one's your negative and this one's your power.
Again, that's for the driver's side.
Same with the passenger, this is going to be the same one.
Now you just see which wire goes to there, and that's how you run your turn signals through your mirror if it doesn't already come with one.